Today's dish, chicken and chorizo tomato stew. We're going to serve that with some butterbean mash. For this I'm using chicken thighs, so I've got 8 chicken thighs, 200 grams of chorizo, 1 onion, just roughly chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, we've got a tin of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, green pepper, red pepper and a yellow pepper diced up, 18 ml of white wine vinegar, and then the butter beans with some lemon and some rosemary. We'll start off by building up the flavours of the stew. We'll start off with the onions. So with the tomato sauce we will start with onions to get the balance of the flavours right, so we should get the sweetness to come out of the onions. So we start off as a raw, very harsh an onion. The more you cook them, the sweeter they get. That's why you need the balance between the tomato acidity and the sweetness from the onions. Get a pan nice and hot, drop of oil in there, and we'll drop the onions in there, let those cook out, let them start sweating, and then they'll start to caramelise and get the flavour which we want. Really important part of the dish to get the balance and the build up of those flavours through the sauce. Whilst we're going with the onions in there, we can look at sealing off the chicken thighs. So we've got 8 chicken thighs, a couple of tablespoons of flour. We'll just drop those into the flour just to coat those. So in another frying pan, get that nice and hot, a little bit of oil in there, then we'll seal off the chicken in those. Pan's hot for the chicken, and that's straight into the oil. Make sure we're washing our hands each time with the raw chicken. Keep an eye on these onions. Just season that chicken up as well. Bit of pepper on there, bit of salt, chicken's in the pan. Really sealing off, get some really good colour onto there. The onions are cooking down really nice. Starting to caramelise up now. Start building up the flavour of this sauce now. So we've got the garlic that goes in with the onions, and the fantastic sweet, so the oil and everything which kind of come out of that's going to be beautiful. Got some really good colour on that chicken now. We'll just leave that, sit that in the pan, just leave it at the back there until we need it. A couple of sprigs of rosemary, back of your knife, just knock those a little bit, release those flavours, really nice, that can go straight in there. Bruising those herbs, just releasing the oils and the flavours of those herbs to start getting that flavour straight into that sauce. oils which are coming out of that chorizo. See, really starting to really look nice now. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm giving that. You need to cook that tomato paste out, otherwise it'll be bitter. For a minute or two there, we add the wine. Debatable whether you use red or white. I like to use white, it brings it a bit lighter for a nice summery dish as opposed to a rich red wine, which make it quite deep. I'll go in with the olives, they can go in. Peppers, go in. Just pop the lid on that and let that cook out for a couple of minutes. All those lovely colours, bringing that flavour together really nice. Go in there now with a tin of chopped tomatoes. Got 300 ml of chicken stock. I'll go straight in there as well. Then we can bring back our chicken. Just place those on the top. And then we just pop the lid back on. Once we've got the stew cooking away, we'll look at what we're going to accompany it with. You can see we've just some buttered new potatoes, very nice, and rice, pasta. I'm going to do something slightly different. I've got a tin of butter beans in the cupboard, which I'm going to use and turn into a bit of a mash with some lemon juice and a bit of rosemary. Start off just putting the butter beans into a pan to get some heat into them. Into the pan, dash of oil in there, and the butter beans straight in there. 1 lemon, juice from that lemon, and then we've got about 10 grams of rosemary. Just chop that up. Straight with the butter beans. So, pepper, as you're cooking out the butter beans, slowly start mashing them down with the back of your spoon. Just get your potato masher, mash them up. Just set that to one side until the stew's ready. Ready to start plating up. With the butter bean mash, dropped a dash of cream into there, bring it together nicely. Our butter bean mash in the bowl ready to go. Bring it across chicken. A couple of pieces of that chicken in there, and then some of the lovely vegetables and the stew. There we have it, chicken and chorizo with butter bean mash.